Breakfast time. Yummy. Hey, wait up. Hey, wait up. Hold on. Hold on. Good shot of Eddie looking pensive. Good shot of Dom smiling. Good shot of Robin. Oh. Eddie, explain to the people what we're doing.
We are about.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
All right,
Eddie, still explain to the people.
So we're about to go.
That was a
on
Ford Fusion and Uber Comfort.
awesome
I'm
boat,
so pissed.
And we're gonna get.
You just wasted $3 here.
I'm on a boat 눈에 보이는 사방이 바다야 딱 잡아 올린 생선을 외쳐서 먹어 I'm on a boat 멀어지는 도시 We're going on 어딘가로 멀리 멀리 I'm on a boat 네가 원했던 건 그게 전부야
It's about to be demon time.
멀어지는 도시 We're going on 어딘가로 멀리 멀리
Oh, dude, I got shit set up for it.
잠들 수 있는 낙이 필요해 떠나지 말란 법은 없지만 두고 가야 할 게 많아 겁이 나는 걸 가끔은 한심한 꿈들이 필요해
Hi, everyone.
바라보는 눈이 너무 많아 저 멀리 갈 수 있는 배가 필요해
Hi,
삶을
Mom.
파도 따라서 흘러가야 I'm on a boat 눈에 보이는 사방이 바다야 딱 잡아 올린 생선을 외쳐서 먹어 I'm on a boat 멀어지는 도시 We're going on 어딘가로 멀리 멀리 I'm on a boat 네가 원했던 건 그게 전부야 흘러가는 파도 안에 흔들리는 boat 멀어지는 도시 We're going on 어딘가로 멀리 멀리
Take your top off.
지금은 꽤나 멀리 온 듯해 생각했던 모습과는 조금 달라도 괜찮아 이건 모두 내가 바랬던 이상해 이 정도는 감수해야지 yeah. 파도가 날 덮칠 수도 있지만 밖에 사고가 날 수도 있지만 okay. 난 내 삶에 만족해 날 향한 걱정과 우려는 필요 없어 I'm on a boat 눈에 보이는 사방이 바다야 딱 잡아 올린 생선을 외쳐서 먹어 I'm on a boat 멀어지는 도시 We're going on 어딘가로 멀리 멀리 I'm on a boat 네가 원했던 건 그게 전부야 흘러가는 파도 안에 흔들리는 boat 멀어지는 도시 We're going on 어딘가로 멀리 멀리 I'm on a boat 눈에 보이는 사방이 바다야 딱 잡아 올린 생선을 외쳐서 먹어 I'm on a boat 멀어지는 도시 We're going on 어딘가로 멀리 멀리 I'm on a boat 네가 원했던 건 그게 전부야 흘러가는 파도 안에 흔들리는 boat 멀어지는 도시 We're going on 어딘가로 멀리 멀리
Record it.
It's
How do you do
recording.
this? How do you do this? Okay, okay. Oh!
Left shot.
Chasing with popcorn. I love you guys. Big shout out to the gang. You guys are an inspiration in my life, and I want to be where I am today without you guys. That was my speech. That was my speech.
There was a drone sent out for me. This one's so close by, so it doesn't look as cool. But if you look at the drone shot, it's gonna look cool because it's gonna pan out from me smiling.
I think, are you doing a top-down shot? How did that just happen?
Robin just landed a drone on my ass.
How do you feel about that experience?
Hold on, let me take my mask off. It was great. Big shout out to my bachelor party and also my close friends. I've never been close to water ever. It's my first time around H2O and definitely had a good experience. Great food, great drinks, and 10 out of 10 would recommend. Follow me on Instagram, AARONNLEE. Smash that like button. Twitter, I'm also A_A_Ron. I actually don't know my Instagram handle, but or my Twitter handle, but yeah. Go follow MikePet35 at YouTube, and his phone number and his address is linked below.
We can't have a genuine experience without a plug. He's got to say something really quick.
You see that?
Yeah.
I can't see my house from here.
yes, y'all, and you don't stop until the beat comes. Says to be the short shot. Come on, I met this girl when I was 10 years old, and what I love most, she had so much soul. She was old school when I was just a shorty, never knew. Throughout my life, she would be there for me or the regular. Not a church girl, she was secular. Not about the money, no stuff was my checker, but I respected her. She hit me in the heart. A few New York had did her in the park.
It's a lot bigger than I thought.
That's what she said.
And it's quieter than I thought. I thought it'd be pretty rowdy inside here.
That's what she said.
It's long and hard.
This is a library.
She was there for me, and I was there for her.
Seattle Public Library. It gets better with time because I used to hate this place.
Sitting on phone, wishing that I could do eventually. If it was meant to be, then it would be, cause we related physically and mentally. And she was fun then. I'd be geeked when she come around. Slim was fresh, yo. She was underground, original. Pure untapped for the down sister. So I tell you, I miss her. Yes, y'all, and you don't stop. Just the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, y'all, and you don't stop.
Heading to Parks Place Market.
See that?
Look at that light fixture right there. Have you ever seen a light fixture like that?
That's tubular.
Get pitted.
Is it raining?
So close to your face.
When?
How's it look?
Should we cross here? Let's just cross here.
Mom, this is my first time trying alcohol. Here it goes. I hate alcohol, Mom.
Another day done in Seattle.
So much fun. So much fun.
Aaron, did you win anything?
I won the award for the best friend group.
The beauty of friendship.
America.
The beauty of friendship.
Yeah, you know, there's a lot of great ships in this world, but there's nothing greter than friendship. Dude, we're gonna do some heavy drinking.
Ron, wake up.
I'm
Stop being a loser.
I'm being up, bro.